a survivor.
Alright. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. This look is inspired by Katherine Pierce from the Vampire Diaries. She is my favorite character. I wanted to recreate a Halloween look for this. I curled my hair in case you didn't notice. Katherine has this beautiful curls and waves, and I'm very excited to show you guys how I did this. So let's get started. I have already applied foundation and contoured my face to, save time. Now I'm gonna do my brows. Nina Dobrev has thin eyebrows and her eyebrows are really dark, so I'm gonna use black eyebrow pencil. And I'm gonna begin right from here, from where I don't have any eyebrows, right from here. I'm gonna lift it up in the front. Extend it a little. My eyebrows look really dark right now, but that's okay. I'm going to be a vampire. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use Mars, and I love Mars because it is super affordable and of good quality. That's what matters. What I'm going to use this shade right here on the upper eyelid of my eye. I'm going to apply more. I'm going to create a wing. I'm going to blend the edges so that there is no harsh line. And on the lower lash line, I'm going to add more eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use black on the outer corners of my eye. Repeat the same process on the other eye. And eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply Maybelline, and I'm going to use this shade. If all the vampire stuff was real, I would definitely turn myself into a vampire. Just kidding. I really love any vampire movies or vampire series. I have almost watched every popular movies and series related to vampires, so now I don't have anything to watch. So if you guys know any other series or movies related to vampires, please suggest me. I would definitely love to watch. Now I'm going to use Lakme, and I'm going to use this golden shade. I'm going to take this brush because I think for the inner corners I like using this inner corners. I'm going to take a clean brush and dust all the eyeshadow that I got here. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use LE18. God, I did not. But it was not dry. I'm going to fix it with eyeshadow. I'm going to take lots and lots of eyeshadow with this brush, and I'm going to apply it right over the thing. And I'm done. I'm not going to do the same mistake on the other eye. You know what? I got messed up on this eye too. This is a fail video. But you can fix everything with makeup. So just chill. Yeah, done. That's easy. I'm so scared to fully open my eyes. Until then. Moving on to lipstick, I'm going to use Maybelline lip liner. Look at this. Today is the worst day of my life. Seriously, this is going to be the worst video of my life. Something is not perfect. Oh, this is not perfect. This is perfect. Now for the lipstick, I am going to use Oriflame, the one. I've used this so many times. It's very, very red. Sunset red. Almost done. For the lashes, I'm going to use these lashes, and these lashes are extra long lashes for my eyes. I don't know if it's gonna look good. I'm just going to test it. Is it going to look okay? I think it's going to look okay. I apply the glue more on the edges because this is where my lashes come out. I'm going to wait for 30 seconds to let the glue be sticky. I've put both the eyelashes. Now time to curl my hair and be Nina Dobrev's doppelganger. First I'm going to curl the bottom part of my hair. Oh my god, I don't know even this is going to be curled. Oh! Okay. Try not to burn yourself. These are my cute little curls. So now I'm going to turn myself into an actual vampire without the fangs under the eyes. I'm going to use red under the eyes. Can't do without mirror. And I am also going to add violet because I want my skin to look dead. So I'm going to use violet wherever I feel like. I'm going to use it right here. Now to draw, I have to draw the veins. For that I am going to use, for the veins I'm going to use this. This was useless until today. I want a mirror, you know. Without mirror I can't. Using a very light hand. I need blood. I don't know why my voice has changed suddenly, but I'm already feeling like Katherine. Alright. I don't have fake fangs, so these are super fake fangs. Thank you so much for watching.